Good morning. We are headed to the tire place today. Got 4 wheels and 4 performance 275 wide 18-inch RE71s. It's for the Model 3 over there. We're getting the Autocross season started here. And I'd like to take the Mach-E, so let's just see if we can get all this stuff in the Mach-E. All right, let's see if we can get it done. I'd put it up front, but Richard's riding up front. So let's see what I can do here. Use this. Same difference. Okay, we're gonna go try it in the Model Y. We couldn't install it into the Mach-E, so we're gonna take the same 4 wheels and 4 tires and see if we can get it here in the Model Y. I would have put it in the front seat, but Richard's riding there, so that wouldn't work. Let's see if we can get this to fit here in the Model Y. Need I say more? I've got my bag of 4 tire pressure sensors that came out of my Tesla rims, and they're going to go in the new one. So let's hit the road. I'm headed up to the Hendersonville, North Carolina area today. Looks like we found the traffic here. Headed pick up Richard, and then we're headed over to do the mounting of the tires for Autocross. That's 27th, I think, of this month. So I've got to be ready. We are on the way to the tire place to get the Autocross tires mounted. Say hi, Richard.
Hi, Richard.
Yep.
Good morning.
So there you go. Richard has a special place where we go to get the tires mounted and stuff like that. So we're headed there now.
At the Cadillac dealer. Why not? As seen on TV?
As seen on TV, that's right. So we're on the way to get the tires mounted for the Model 3 Performance. I've got some 10.5-inch wide RE71s. Same tires Richard has on the Pikes Peak Model 3, so we'll be matched up. This year we'll be chasing all the fossil fuel cars. This is where we bring our Autocross tires. These guys really have it going on. They have the latest and greatest mounting equipment, and they take care of us in getting our Autocross tires set up. So thanks to these guys. I'm headed up to pick up the tires. We dropped the tires off this morning, and I'm heading back up here this afternoon. My Autocross tires are mounted and balanced on the Martian Wheels, and I'm all ready to go. So I'm heading up to Hendersonville now to pick them up. We have our Autocross tires ready. Just wanted to show you guys here. I think I will find it. If you look closely on the side, you'll see where it says rotation. Yeah, you see that? So the rotation, since these tires are mounted so that 2 of them are on the left and 2 of them are on the right, this rotation must be on the proper side of the vehicle. So with the tire rim sticking this side, it has to be on the left side of the car. And the other one is the left, and the 2 up there are for the right side of the car. I just finished picking up the tires and wheels mounted at the Chevrolet dealer up here in Hendersonville. Thing about these kinds of things out here in the country, it's not every place has the proper machines or the know-how to properly mount tires onto aluminum wheels without scratching them up. We found a Chevrolet dealer, they do Cadillacs and all that stuff here in Hendersonville, and that's where I brought my wheels and tires. They did a really fine job. You can kind of see them here in the back of the car. They'll run on the Model 3 Performance, same wheels and tire Richard has on his Model 3. This month, though, we're going to be running the Mach-E here in Autocross with its stock wheels and tires. That'll give us the ability to test it out. It doesn't have anything like track mode. It's just the basic traction control built into the Mach-E. So that'll be interesting. So let's get these wheels and tires home and we'll check it out. Heading home here, just about there. Just thought I'd suggest that if you like driving your EV, doesn't matter what kind it is, you can probably take it out on the Autocross track just the way it is and drive it. And it is a lot of fun. If you like driving your EV around town, out on the highway, you will most certainly like to drive it around cones at relatively high speeds. So my suggestion is you locate a car club in your area and check to see if they hold what's called Autocross. Essentially, it's a parking lot with a bunch of cones and a timer, and you start out at whatever speed you're comfortable and you drive around these cones, and when you get to the other side, the timer stops and you have a time of what it took to drive the cones. It is really, really a lot of fun. Richard and I are into it quite a bit. We've got our Performance Model 3s. He has the Pikes Peak Winter Performance Model 3, and I have a 2020 Performance Model 3. And we're in a class called Super Street, mainly because of all the horsepower we have. But it doesn't matter. You race your class, you race the field, and you just get out there and have a blast. Check out some of my Autocross videos. I'm pretty sure that you'll find it is a lot of fun. It is a little intimidating, but you just drive it as quickly as you're comfortable and you're good to go. If you'd like to see more of my videos, go ahead and hit the like button and hit the subscribe and the little bell icon to alert you next time a video is posted. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen is good for 1,000 free miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging simply by going to that link and ordering your car. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you again and take care.